Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up battery saving on VIVO IQOO Z8. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then look for battery. Now when you enter it, there should be battery saver, and you can also open this options. Here activate or deactivate battery saver. Then we can set the schedule based on percentage, and now we can choose the percentage that when you discharge your battery to 55 for this example, you will enter battery saving automatically. Then we can turn off battery saving mode when your phone charges above 90%. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.